Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel, and in this video, we are going to be looking at the delete query. The SQL delete query is used to delete the existing records from a table. So, for you to delete records from a table, you have to use the delete query. So, the syntax is delete from table name where they now give you conditions. Condition. This is the syntax for you to delete a existing record from a table. Let's look at an example right now. So let's say delete from employee where they call let's look at what we have here, where the age is 39. From employees where the age is 39, where age is equal to 39. Then we close that. Execute. Delete from employee where age is okay. We have made a mistake in the spelling here. So if you run that, you see that 5 rows affected. So if you select that start from employee, you see that we don't have there is no area where the age is 39. So if you select star from employees where salary or age is equal to 39, and that you see that there is an empty set. That means there is no column or there is no record where the age is 39. That is how you can delete records from an existing table. Okay, let's take for example, you want to delete a complete column. Say we don't want this age, the column of the age. We can just simply use, we don't use the word clause again. We just simply say delete delete age, the age from employee. So this will be what? No. Sorry for that. Delete from employee where let's say delete from employee. Let's give that, and then we press enter. You will see that we have 20 rows affected, which means that we select star from employees. You will see that when you have an empty set example, that means we want to delete everything that is found inside the employee. So we select star from employee there. It's an empty set, which means there is no record inside our employee table. So we have deleted everything. And to do this, it's always good to make sure that you have backup the data, or you have seen into it that what you want to delete is not longer important. You just want to delete everything. You want to delete all the records. So that is how you can use the delete statement or delete query. That's all for this video, and thank you very much for watching. For more videos, please kindly subscribe to my channel at Gatech, or you can simply share or like my videos. If you want the video on your pen drive, just contact me directly on my contact number or WhatsApp me so I can share this video to you directly, or you can just support us, donate, so we can move or create this website. We intend to create a website for this project, and Thanks once more, and see you in my next video.